Right, here we are in my bathroom. I'm going to give you a demonstration as to why I cannot install an elongated toilet in this bathroom. I mean, maybe if I turn the toilet this way, and of course, you know, adjusted the hydro seat, the Danko hydro seat, it would probably work. Here's the Briggs Maelstrom, by the way. Okay, so here I'm going to show you. See where the other toilet light is? I'm going to put the base of it approximately, you know, here's a side-by-side. So it'll probably be, there we go. Alright, so there you go. Alright, here's the entrance from my bedroom to my bathroom. Here's the amount of space that you have to walk through between the front of the toilet, the front of the toilet to the wall. Now this is what with a round hole toilet, which that one is. Now with the elongated, watch this. See that? You know, you have to kind of shimmy by it sideways, and it just doesn't work. So here's elongated versus round. See, there's plenty of foot room. So that's why, as it stands right now, I'm unable to install an elongated toilet in this bathroom. So, like I said, maybe if I pull up the hydro seat and switch it around, you know, it just depends on whether there'll be enough room in the back for the tank against the shower, which is right here. So, yeah. So yeah, I never measured a rough-in or anything. So, which both of these are 12-inch rough-in toilets. So yeah, I just figured I'd give you that little demonstration as to why I'm not able to, as it stands right now, install an elongated toilet in my bathroom. Alright, that's all I have for you, and we'll see you in the next video.